Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Google Forms. With Google Forms, you'll be able to create surveys and multiple choice questions and numerous other online forms that you can share with persons. For example, the first thing you'll need to do is go onto google.com and you can type in Google Forms. Then from there, you can simply tap on the first option. Then you're going to tap on Go to Forms. After you have selected Go to Forms, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And what I want you to do next, in the top right hand corner, you're going to tap on Template Gallery. After tapping on Template Gallery, depending on the type of form that you want to create, you can select it right here. So if you would like to create, for example, a contact form, you could select contact information. If you would like to create an event RSVP, you could do that, or a party invite, you could also do that using Google Forms, as you can see right here. There are quite a few templates that you can choose from, so you could scroll down and select one of your liking. Or if you would like to create, for example, a multiple choice or so on, you can select whichever worksheet suits you, or you could simply tap on blank. After selecting blank, from here you'll be able to add your own questions. So let's say, for example, we would like to create a survey. So we are going to rename the survey. I'll name it text. After doing that, from there you can see right here untitled question. You can tap right there and you could type out your first question. So let's say, for example, what day is it? I'll do that real quick right here. After typing out the question, you can now post the answer. So you can see suggestions right there. So whether you'd like it to be multiple choice, you could tap there. Let's say you want it to be check boxes, you could do that. Or if you want it to be short answer or paragraph, you can choose from any one of these options. As you can see right there, you are given numerous options. So I'll use multiple choice, as you can see here. And then the first option, you could simply type in whether it is Monday. So I'll type in Monday right here. Then you could go on and you can also add all the other days. I could tap on add all and you can see the questions right there. Now to add more questions, all you'll need to do is go over to the right hand menu option and you could tap on the plus right there to add question. And you could add a second question and you can continue adding more questions. Once you're finished adding your questions, and by the way, you can also add a YouTube video if you want by tapping on add video, or if you would like to add an image, you could do that. And you can also add title and description if you want, or you could import questions. And you can also customize it by simply tapping right there. You can customize it again by adding any one of these you want. And you can tap on the responses from the top menu option. After tapping on the responses, this is where you'll be able to see the answers of the persons that you share your survey or your quiz with. And you can also tap on settings right here. So you can make this a quiz by simply toggling this on. After toggling it on, you can see the different options. Would you like to release the marks immediately after each submission, or you want to do it later after manual review? And you can also see the respondent settings, whether you would like to have missed questions. Respondents can see which questions were answered incorrectly. You can leave it on or off. There are numerous small changes that you can make, as you can see right here. And if you would like to also set up a price strategy, so a point section for each correct answer, you could do that. So let's say they get 5 points for each correct answer. You can do that right there, and you can scroll back up. After you have scrolled back up, what I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see customize theme. You're going to tap right there. After you have selected customize theme, you can change the text style. and you can also change the font style if you want, and you can do that for the header section, the questions, or the text. Or if you would like to add an image in the header section, you can do that. Or if you would like to change the header color, you can do that, as you can see right there. And you can scroll down, and if you would like to change the background color, you can do that. And you can also add an image. Once everything is to your liking, it is now time to share your new Google Forms survey or questionnaire. All you'll need to do is tap on send in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on send, you can see right here you could email it to a specific person, or if you would like to get the link, you could do that by simply tapping on link right here, and then from there you'll be able to copy the link. But instead of copying this long link, you can shorten it by simply tapping on shorten URL, and you can see it right there. It is now a lot shorter. And also, if you would like to collect email addresses, you can simply toggle it on right here. So you could tap on verified or responder input, and then you'll be able to send it. And that's basically it. Again, if you would like to go back, you'll tap on the forms icon in the top left hand corner. And if you would like to create a questionnaire or so on, you can also do that quickly by tapping on template gallery. Then from there we could scroll down, and you can see the different templates. So let me see if they have the questionnaire option. You can see right there, no, they have blank quiz, exit ticket, assessment, and worksheet. They don't have a questionnaire, so you would have to create that manually, unfortunately. I'll also be looking at JotForm. JotForm is another platform that also allows customers or users to create easy to use forms that you can share online. And JotForm you can also get started for completely free. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And by the way, if there's anything else that you would like me to touch on or talk about, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you for taking the time out to watch this tutorial.